Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to attach these heavy duty metal poppers on a leather. These are tools which I'll be using to attach heavy duty poppers on the leather straps. I'm using these Prym Pliers to attach heavy duty poppers on leather straps. First I'll be piercing holes on the leather straps. I'm using these two hole piercing tools, adding them on each end of these pliers, and I'll be piercing holes on each end of these straps. I'm placing my leather strap in the middle there, and I'm piercing a hole in the middle there, and I will repeat same on the other strap. So my both straps are prepared for the poppers now. Now I'll remove those hole piercing tools out using my removal tool. Oh, the other one just fell out, so it's fine. So both hole piercing tools are removed now. Now I'll install metal poppers in these holes. First I'm adding this tray on one side of the pliers and the setting tool, which has a post in the middle there, on the other side. It looks like that. Now we'll add the poppers on the leather straps. First I'm adding this cap popper on the front of the leather strap there. Placing that cap popper on a tray there. And I'm adding this socket popper, which looks like that, on the top of the cap popper there. Looks like that. And I'm pressing both plier ends together like that. And I'm squeezing my pliers quite hard so both poppers get attached on the strap properly. And here's my first popper finished. A really strong finish and really good quality popper. Now I'll show you how to attach other popper on other strap. The cap strap will go on top there and the stud popper will go on top there. First I will add this post popper under this strap there. Looks like that. I'm placing that post popper on that tray there, and then I'm putting my stud popper on top of that post, and I'm squeezing those pliers really hard together so both poppers get attached on the strap. Oh, fell out, but that doesn't matter because my popper is attached really securely on this leather strap, as you can see. A really nice finish and really good quality. Let's try both poppers together. So let's clip them together. Clips really nicely and looks really good. If you have any questions how to attach these heavy duty metal poppers, please do comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.